So today in Excel video we are going to learn three tricks in Excel with examples. So let's get started today video. By the way, I'm using the OneDrive like Microsoft, so don't be confused. It's a little bit different from the Microsoft Office 365. Okay, so let's start today video. So here you can see on my screen that we have the sample data and this data is look the pretty messy, right? So how we can remove the messy data या फिर how we can handle the messy data. So let's start. First, I don't need to this row because it's useless. So simply I delete it. Delete row 2. Okay. Now we have the two options. First option I show you equal text split function. We can use text split function. Okay. Now here the parameter first parameter is the text. You simply select this text, comma, column delimiter. So delimiter mean you can see the like the some error. Here you want to remove the some sign. So here you can see the this data in the bar sign. So we need to remove. So double quotation type bar, okay, double quotation, close parenthesis and hit enter. And here you can see your data is here and double click. Yeah, we need to drag it I think. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so simply we need to drag it. So we have the long data that's in the finish. Now here you can see the we are clean the data. Okay, so this is the super easy you can use. Okay, and if you want to remove this formula, so what you can do, simply select this data. Okay, Control Shift down arrow, and what you need to do, simple, Control plus C, Control Shift V. Okay, and remove the your formula from this data. Still showing. Okay, so we need to select. It's okay. We need to select again. Control plus C, Control Shift V. What's going on? Okay. So here you can see the function is removed. Right? Now you can use according you want to the another practice you can do on this. The second thing how you can split the data. So I show you simply select this column. By the way, I need to remove this because we can't be the extract the column. So I just right click and delete the column D to K. Okay. Again I select this data tab and here you can see split text to column. Simply go and here you can see the automatically the select the bar and you can see the preview. Okay, and apply. That's it. So you have the two things. First is the text split function and the second is the split text to column feature in the data table. Okay, so you can use. Okay, so this is the first trick. The second trick is if we have the long data, so how we can focus on the particular column or particular row. So what we can do, simply go to view tab and here the I open the here and focus cell option is here. Okay. So Microsoft Office 365 is available. So you can use focus cell and you can see. So when I click here, so you can see the where I am clicking. So you can easily drag my mouse, yeah, row, yeah, particular column. Okay, and if you wanted to change the color, so simply again go and the change color option is here. Simply, and I want to change color, something the like the mm, red, so you can use. Okay, so this is the focus cell. And third and last trick today. So let's go the another sheet. So going on. So I think I need to remove this. So okay. Now another thing is, suppose you want to the translate the some text. Okay, so here I type the Charu Kumar Mathur from today. This is the simple text. Okay, now I want to translate the in Hindi, yeah, another language. How we can so equal here the translate function is available. Okay, translate function simply select this text, comma. Now let's understand the first parameter. What is here? Parameter is says the first text. Source language is the which language of the text. So suppose is the, this text is the English, and the target language, which language you want to the see, yeah, you want to the read. Okay, yeah, you want to the translate. So suppose this I select this text, comma, source is English, so I we can just select from this. Yeah, if you code you know, so EI you can type. So where is the English is here? Where is the English? Here. En. Okay, so code is En, comma source. So source is you want the Assam, yeah, French, yeah, any language you can translate here the bunch of the X language. So I want to the convert into the French. Okay, yeah, Japanese, Kannada. So I want to the Japanese and hit enter. And your the text is translated into the Japanese. Okay, if you want to change, so you can change FR the French. FR. Okay, so FR is here. I think French. Where is the French? French, French, French. Okay, so let's hit the enter and let's see the what says. So it's translated to the in the French. If you want to check, so hello, chalo. Let's another translate. Translate and select this text, comma, double quotation, type en, okay, comma, and I want to the convert into the French. So where is the French? Here, FR, and hit enter, and done. Bonjour, chalo. Okay, so if you if you get the something data, if you can't understand the data language, so you can use the translate function, and you can easily the understand and you can analyze the data. Okay, so that's it about this video. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. See you next video.